Atlas Matrix, a breakthrough in on-demand and mass digital printing, and the first and only digital solution in the industry capable of printing directly on cotton, blends, and polyester shirts with no dye migration and same dryer settings, unlocking new markets and applications that were previously out of reach. Powered by Kornit's advanced Max technology, Atlas Matrix delivers exceptional print consistency, durability, color vibrancy, and production efficiency, offering the most competitive total cost of ownership in its class. Powered by the carbon technology, Atlas Matrix eliminates dye migration on dyed polyester without compromising performance. The new DigiBlocker's milled carbon formulation absorbs migrating dyes during curing, eliminating color bleed without analog screen steps. Experience the best of both DTG and DT film technologies with the only digital solution for dye sublimated t-shirts, enabled by the unique carbon shield and carbon transfer processes, all powered by DigiBlocker, Kornit's proprietary digital ink blocker. Atlas Matrix meets high-end rub and wash standards with Intensifier 2.0 compliant, with JIS Type 1 and 2 for sportswear durability. Extended gamut inks, including neons or red and green, deliver vibrant color accuracy and smooth, screen-like whites. QualiSet autonomous calibration ensures repeatable quality across jobs, batches, and fleets. Built for industrial throughput, up to 150 shirts per hour, all with a single operator. One system replaces multiple technologies, lowering labor, consumables, and operational costs. Print everything from sportswear and athleisure to streetwear, fashion, and accessories, all on one system. Atlas Matrix, redefining digital production with unmatched versatility, durability, and performance.